In this video, we show how to replace the PSU on a PowerEdge XE7745. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support.
To remove the PSU, press the release latch and holding the PSU handle. Slide the PSU out of the way. To install the PSU, slide the PSU into the PSU bay until the release latch snaps into place.
For more information or support, it's at the PowerEdge XE7745. Visit dell.com/support.